Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. So for this, let's open our Instagram app. Click on your profile in the right bottom corner and click on three lines on the top right corner. There we have Account Center. Click on it. As you clicked, here as you can see, we have two profiles linked, which is one is Instagram and other one is Facebook. Now to unlink Facebook, you need to scroll down and click on Accounts. Here we have the Instagram profile and the Facebook profile. As we are here to unlink Facebook profile, so you need to click on remove for Facebook option, click on remove account, and now click on continue. Click on yes remove. Here it may take few seconds, so you need to wait for a while. And now account is unlinked. In this way, you can unlink Facebook from Instagram. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.